Okay, good afternoon once again. My voice is coming to you people. Audible? Fine. Now, before we begin with today's class, was there any problem in the previous class? Any doubt, any query to anyone? Anyone was have? Yes, Riddhi, please. Yes, Riddhi, please unmute yourself.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Voice is not coming. No, then that is your voice is coming or not coming now? That is the problem from your side, Riddhi. Otherwise, maximum are saying my voice is reaching to them. Yes, Prakhar? Just unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Prakhar.
Miss, your voice is coming properly.
Properly, na? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. So as I was telling you, we are going to yes. Today we will be beginning with the next topic, and the next topic which we have to start is about problem related to adolescent. Now the problems which are related to adolescent. The first problem which is very much found in the females is regarding the menstrual cycle. Okay, because as I have previously told you in the previous class, suppose if the girls or the females are priorly they are informed about it. Okay, it's a normal phenomena. It's a phenomena. It's a biological phenomena which is taking place in every female, and it's not something wrong. It's a perfect. It shows that your body is working in a perfect manner. So, if this problem or if this particular condition is already explained to whether to the boys or to the girls, once when the girls start menstruating, means when their puberty starts, when the ovary has started releasing the egg cell, they know it and they come out of it, or they understand that it is a biological phenomena which is taking place in my body and there is nothing wrong in it. So in that case, their mental balance remains the same. It remains the same. There is no harm. Otherwise, most of the time when these things are not explained to the children, or parents do not take the initiative to explain, then once it starts happening in the body of the female, they feel little awkward. Okay, you know, they are not able to adjust. First of all, they are not able to inform or tell, and second of all, they are not able to, because when this menstrual cycle comes, there are mood swings are there. It means depression problem. You feel low. That see, these problems occur in the females, and if all these things are not explained to a girl, that may lead somewhere to her depression. Maybe that girl child is going towards the depression, because it was all new, something new which suddenly took place in her body, and she is not able to understand how to react. Other than that, if a girl child is already informed about it, even if boys are there and boys also know that this particular things are happening, then that equality of the gender remains. Okay, equality of, they understand each other, means they understand the problem of the females, as well as same way females also understand the problem of the males. So if you say menstruate, first of all, what is happening? If that hormonal disturbance is there, this menstrual cycle, it becomes irregular. Last time somebody has asked me that what happens, miss, if the hormones are not secreted in a proper amount or in a large amount. Definitely, if it is secreted in a proper in a large amount or in a less amount, disturbance will be seen. So I can see the first thing, that the menstrual cycle becomes irregular. Irregular means 1 month maybe it is happening, second month it is not happening, again after 1 month it takes, means disturbance will be there. Then if you see, some adolescents become too conscious about the growth and development of their body. Second of all, as I have told you, that adolescent is a period where lot of biological or physical changes take place in the body. If you see among the boys, mustaches, beard, okay, hairs on under the armpit, chest hairs, pubic region hairs, they are arising. Same way in the girls, enlargement of breast is taking place. The waist area is becoming wider. So all these things, when these changes take place, people become too conscious. Okay, they become too conscious about their appearance. As I told you, adolescent is a time period where you are too conscious about how you look like in the society. How are you appearing in the society? Okay, so these all changes, these changes which are taking place, definitely, if you know, if you are aware of these changes, okay, no problem, it is going to happen. And if not, then there may be some time you are not able to understand, or you are not able to means accept it that things are happening. They start feeling shy and hesitant to discuss their problem with others. Please underline that. When that is why I was telling you, see, adolescent period is a period which, according to me, I think so, that this is a time period where children should be informed about all these things. Okay, they should know whether it is a girl or a boy, and they should know these all developments which are taking place in their body. And it's, you know it, that it is all because of hormones. You know it or not? So it's all because of hormones. And as I told you, if these changes are taking place, that means you are perfectly normal. If they do not take place, then that is a symptom of danger. That means that hormonal imbalance is taking place. Is that clear to you? So all these things should be priorly informed to an adolescent, so that when these changes are taking place, he or she is not feeling shy. He or she doesn't feel hesitant, means uncomfortable. Directly or openly, that particular child, maybe a girl child or a male child, can openly discuss the problem with their parents. Okay, openly discuss that this things are happening with me, what should I do? With the parents, with the teachers, if they are so close to the teachers, even they can discuss it with the teachers. So that much of openness should be there, and that openness can only come when they are guided in a proper way, when they are informed in a proper way about all these biological changes which are taking place. I hope you understand the meaning of biological changes which I am talking about. Do you know biological changes? Changes taking place in the body. Okay, the changes which are taking place in your body, that are known as biological changes. Is that clear to you? Is it clear? Anyone has any doubt? Fine. Then see the next one. Frequent mood swings are also witnessed among many adolescents. Mood swings. Can anyone tell me mood swing? What is the meaning of mood swings? Now, this is so simple. I was expecting everybody to raise the hand and give the answer. Let me see somebody, some new name, are there or not there? Yes, Prasoon? Unmute yourself. Yes. Please tell.
Yes.
Huh?
Frequent changes.
Frequently mood changes. How? Give an example. You're an adolescent right now. What is your age?
Was 13.
13. So you are in adolescent period. So can you please tell me what mood, do you feel this mood swings? Do you feel these mood swings? No? Okay. Then let me ask to a person who feels these mood swings. Is there anyone who has experienced this mood swings? Anyone? Slowly, hands are raised. Okay. Just a second. Yes, Kaustav, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Mood changes, like we are happy and seeing our means gadgets, and then father frequently come to us and beat us. So their mood, our mood changes.
If Papa is coming and snatching away the gadgets, then you. So that time mood is very happy. You feel very happy. Okay, Papa took the gadget from me. Very happy, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
You become upset. Okay. Anyone else would like to share? Okay. Yes, Arsh. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, miss. Miss, what he has said, that thing is happening. And also like sometimes we become very much focused, like today I will do this work, and after some time we gain energy to do that work. Like if I sit right now to do study, I will sit 15-20 minutes, I'll be very confident, I will do nicely, and after that I will stop.
After that, this is very common thing. Okay, it's a very common thing. It's happening. Yes, sure is one hand has come up. After that, other hand, and then after that, legs will also come up if I don't ask him. Yes, sure, please.
Miss, like our sis said, we are going to study and we are very confident. And after 20 to 30 minutes, we stop doing.
Okay.
So, Miss, that is also a mood swing. And Miss, if we are watching our television,
Yeah.
and if any scene is there, so if we are happy and another scene is come, so we become very sad.
That is situational base, na beta. That is the situational base. It is a situation base that if you see means a comic movie, definitely you'll laugh. You won't cry in a comic movie, na. So that is a situation base. But what you told right now, that study is one. That was an example. Yes, Jillian, please unmute yourself.
Miss, like in exams, when we will get very nice mark, then we will so much enjoy. Miss, and if we will get very bad marks, our face will become, or we will start crying.
So that is also situational based. Exams was also, see, what example, you should understand that is a situation given to you. See, nobody will, if anybody fails in all the 12 subjects, can you imagine that child laughing and dancing? Can you imagine that particular child laughing and dancing if a child is failing in all the 12 subjects? Somebody's mic is on, please mute yourself, whoever it is. Yes, and suppose somebody who has got 100 in all the 12 subjects, can you see that person crying bitterly that I got 100 in all the subjects? No. So that is a situation based. Okay, that is not a mood swing, that is a situation. Mood swing is what was told to me that okay, aaj hum itna padh hi lenge. That is the decision. Okay, today I'll complete all my work, I'll sit and after 10 to 15 minutes, what happens? Okay, aaj nahi kal ho jayega. This happens or not? This is happening. Okay, abhi nahi, thodi der aadhe ghante baad kar lenge. Okay, not half an hour. Okay, I'll do it after 1 hour. This is actually the mood swing. This is the mood swing which is happening. Suddenly you get up, you decide, okay, I will do this work today, and after some time you suddenly switch over from that work to you move on to any other work. Hobbies. This is the age where children keep switching on their hobbies. One hobby, okay, after 10 days, another hobby, or after 10 days, another hobby. Is this happening with you people? Is this happening? Those who are pursuing some hobbies, is this happening with you people or not? Saksha, you might have done a lot of research work, and then I'll give you time at the last. Yes, Prakhar, would you like to say something? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Miss, after 10 days, every time the hobby also changes.
That is a mood swing. Okay, that is the mood swing. So that, just understand what I was telling to you. Other examples which you gave it to me, like the example of marks, the example of watching TV, that is all situation based. That is a situation condition. But this particular things which are happening, that is mood swing. Frequent mood swings are also witnessed among many adolescents. In some cases, pimples and acne keep appearing due to secretion of sweat and oil glands. One very basic reason which puts adolescent in this acne and pimple problem. Saksha, put your hands down. Those who have raised the hand, put your hand down. I have not asked anything. Yes. So acne and pimple problem is very common, as I told you, because the activity of oil gland and sebaceous sweat gland increases. Okay, oil gland and sweat gland increases. As a result, more amount of oil and sweat is secreted. If it is not cleaned properly, if you are not cleaning it regularly, properly, this acne problem and pimple problem is there. And just tell me one thing: when you get pimples, whether boy or girls, what happens? Very happy? Do you feel very happy? If lot of pimples comes on the face, do you feel happy? Upset now? You don't feel like going out. You don't want to show your face to anyone. Purnima, your brother is showing mango. Tell him to show after 1 o'clock, okay? Okay, tell him to show after 1 o'clock. See, so that is the thing, that this particular problem, acne and pimple problem, is also making you not conscious. It is making you conscious towards how you are appearing. And as I have already told you in the previous class, this is the age, adolescent is an age where you start imitating your own friends. Okay, if there is a good looking girl in among your friend circle, you want to look like her, and it is perfectly normal. If we are imitating her, it is normal. Okay, good looking, the way she dresses up, the way she puts her hair, the way she talks, you want to imitate. Fine. If there is a charming boy in the group, then you want to imitate that, but that peer effect is maximum. That is why I told you, adolescents are not under the control of the parents, not under the control of any guardian, but they are under the control of their own friends. So this is the age where parents should see to it that what kind of friendship a particular their child is making. Whether it is a healthy friendship or it is a friendship which is destroying the future of the child. Now, some adolescents start imitating their fellow peers. I think you have understood this point. Okay, understood now? Anyone has any doubt in the understanding this point? You start copying your friends. Adolescents are highly curious and may get into, highly curious because this is the age where they want to know everything. Where they want to know everything about each and every topic. They want to be considered as the important part of the family. They want that if any decision is taking place in the family, anything is happening, their decisions should be also appreciated. They should be also called. They should be also asked their point of view. That is that all things are happening. And if you see this highly curious, that is why what I feel like this particular age of adolescent, everything should be discussed with them. Whether it is a boy or a girl, things should be discussed with them so that they do not go for some wrong ways to get the information. Okay, they do not go for some wrong ways to get the information. Whatever information they want, the parents should be so available to them that if they are discussing something, they should take it in a positive way. They should tell them, yeah, this is the thing, this things happen, and rest you will come to know later. That should be the approach of the parents. But it's a very sorrowful condition. Now it means we are calling ourselves well educated, but still parents do not question or do not answer to the questions of the children if it is related some biological words or some other things which child has seen from outside. Okay, they do not want to discuss, but it should not be that. They should tell. Other than that a child is going out and the child is getting information from somewhere through a wrong source. Nowadays, internets are available. They are the biggest place where you can get surplus amount of knowledge, but internet knowledge is not correct. It is not that every time whatever knowledge internet is giving is correct. So that should be better, parents explaining, and then you search on the internet. That will be far better. Adolescents are highly curious and may get into bad habits of smoking, drinking, or taking drugs due to peer pressure. As I told you last time, somebody told me, peer pressure word came last time. So peer pressure is of two kinds. One pressure, which is leading you to a healthy life or to a positive side, and peer pressure is another kind where it is destroying your future. Now, drinking alcohol, smoking, and taking drugs. You know what are drugs? What drugs they are talking about? They are talking about narcotics drugs. Okay, these drugs are given a name. Narcotic drugs. Okay, these drugs are meant to just like sedation. It's like a sedation that after taking these drugs, person is not aware of its surrounding. Person does not know what is happening around him or her, and even with him or her. You must have seen in so many movies they're talking about these drugs, these narcotic drugs, and these narcotic drugs are taken in a very small amount and they create maximum damage to the body of the person who takes it. And this, this is the age where children get indulged in all this thing, and that is all because Peer pressure. Peer pressure, suppose one of the friend has got involved in smoking and drinking, he will pressurize his own friends to do that. But if the friends are smart enough, they know what are the side effects of these things, they, instead of getting involved in them, they will think of it that my friend should also come out of this bad habit. Is it okay? Yes. Any problem to anyone? Any problem to anyone up to here? Any doubt? Saksham, hand is continuously raised. Yes, Saksham. Now, if the question is of not this level, I'll come to your house today, I'm telling you. The question should be proper and of this class 8th level. If it is beyond that level, I'll definitely come to your house. Your class teacher is also there at the school right now. Yeah, please.
This like you have said about the mood change, Miss, but sometimes the mood change also shows the symptoms of a more serious health issue also, no?
Serious, health issues, definitely. If you are not, why your video is off, Saksham? Yes. If you are ill, definitely that illness is somewhere or the other, it is affecting your mental level. If you are ill and you know that that particular sickness is there, your mental level will be affected, and that will also create a mood swing. That will also, you might have noticed during this pandemic time. What happened when people were sent to COVID centers, okay, for isolation, okay, quarantine, they were made quarantine in the COVID centers. Maximum of them went into, means depression problem was there. Why? Because they had no one to only all around what they were seeing the COVID patients. And some very serious, some slightly suffering with that, and that all affects the mental. Suppose if I ask you, if you are there and you are asked to sit among the people who are suffering from some one or the other disease, means you and 10 people around you is suffering with some or the other disease, how would you feel after some time? How would you feel? Yes, Rudransh, please unmute yourself.
Miss, we feel scared that if that disease not come in our body,
you'll feel scared. Okay, you feel scared. After that, any other feeling will come? You'll feel the same energy level. The energy level will be the same.
No, Miss, the energy level goes down and we start fainting. We faint after some time.
You start fainting. Okay, and then what is happening?
Miss, the sweat is released in more amount.
Sweat is released. You're getting scared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Piyush, please unmute yourself. Piyush Pal. Yeah.
Miss, is there any
Beta, your voice is not coming properly. Please try again. Your voice is not coming clearly to me. I'm not able to. Yeah. Yes, Shivam, please unmute yourself. Shivam, unmute yourself. Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Miss, just taking this smoking and drugs releases bad hormones in our body.
It does not release any hormone. It is not releasing. It is only seducting you. Seducting you means it is controlling your cerebellum.
Means getting addicted.
Yeah, not addiction is something else. I'll tell you, addiction is something else. But if you take for the pleasure, first few times, if the person is involved in drinking or smoking, this particular smoking starts controlling our cerebellum part. You know, brain is having 3 parts: cerebrum and cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So this drinking, it controls the cerebellum, and slowly what happens, your body get addicted to it. Okay, if you continue with this habit of drinking, smoking, you get addicted, and addiction means where you cannot live without that particular thing. Like today, in today's generation, can you tell me which is the biggest addiction?
Yes.
What
is the biggest addiction? Is internet, phone, and gadgets.
Gadgets. The biggest addiction in today's world is gadgets, mobiles, internet. Okay, games. So many internet games. They are the biggest addiction. And have you seen the outcome of it, result of it? You might have noticed. It's you might have seen the changes. Okay, those who are totally addicted with mobiles, totally addicted with the electronic gadgets, what changes do you find in them? And
Miss,
Shivam, please mute yourself better. Let me ask to somebody else. Yes, Riddhi, please unmute yourself.
They started gaining weight, and it can also have a chance if they become smart or totally loose.
Okay, they start gaining weight, and what happens that what do you say?
They start becoming lethargic.
Lethargic. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, Amarnath, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Mega.
My child starts to feel dull. My child becomes dull totally, and the arithmetical and the processes he also slow and
Life becomes dull. Okay, that person lacks, means that person does not have any kind of energy. You might have seen those children who play lot of outdoor games. Children who are playing lot of outdoor games, they are full of energy. Rather than those children who are sitting at home and all the time playing games on the mobile, okay, their thinking ability also decreases. Their thinking ability also, that is the most harmful effect. Saksham, please have patience. There are so many other students also raising the hand. Okay. Yes, Kaustubh, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, it is sometimes good also.
It's sometimes good also. Can you tell me how it is?
Ma'am, some YouTubers are there.
That means you are playing mobile games.
Ma'am, I'm not playing. Ask to my father.
Why should I ask your father? It's a class going on. Why should I call your father right now and ask? It's between you and me.
Yes.
Yeah, it is good. Can you tell me the good effect of it?
Ma'am, many creators are coming out.
What is coming out? What do you say?
New creators. Ma'am, new creators.
New products are coming out.
Creators, ma'am.
New creators. No, I want to know, if you are playing lot of mobile games, is it benefiting you somewhere? Is it?
Ma'am, lot of not ma'am. In a specific time we should play.
Okay, specific time you should play. Yeah, half an hour is more than enough. What I feel, half an hour is more than enough if you are playing. But beyond that, if you continue, it is not going to benefit you at all. It is going to harm. Yes, Artika? Please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Miss, this internet is causing that frequent headaches, and some videos I have seen that one small kid is there. He is always seeing a mobile phone, and he is addicted to it. And when we not give them, then they cry and they get angry.
Sincerely, I would like to know how many of you are addicted to mobile games? How many of you are addicted to mobile games? Be sincere enough. Be sincere, addicted to mobile games, if not mobile games, but addicted to mobile. You cannot, because nowadays everybody is having a mobile. Personal means most of you are having because of your online classes. Because of your online classes, most of you are having. How many of you are addicted? How many? Only these many are addicted. Wait, let me see. Only these, that means these many students are sincere that they are telling that they are addicted. Rest all, those who are not raising their hands, they are not sincere enough to inform. So these many students have said that they are addicted. Now, can you please tell me what all changes do you feel in yourself because of this addiction? Yes, Yash, you are addicted to mobile? Yes, Thakur? Are you addicted to mobile? Then why have you raised your hand? I was asking how many of you can say that I am addicted to mobile?
Miss, I tell.
Huh? Prasoon is addicted. Arsh is addicted. These many students. Now, can you tell me if it is a general class, if I would have asked in the class, you could have told me so many things which you people are doing. Means you find that you are not the same person who was 2 years back. Are you the same person who was 2 years back, full of energy? The person, Prasoon was good in playing football. I hope Prasoon, you are playing football now, or band. You are there in the band. Okay, but now when were you the same personality? Are you the same personality what you left when you are coming to the school, and now what you are? Now suppose once you come back to the school, once you come back to the school and you have been asked to sit in the school for 4 to 5 hours without your gadgets, what will be the condition? What would be the condition? Be sincere enough to tell me. What would be the condition? Okay, whom to ask? Angad. Yes, Angad, please unmute yourself.
Miss, before lockdown, when we were coming to school, there was some confidence that I will do my work or I will study. But since lockdown has happened,
yeah,
I don't get any energy to study. I always want to watch YouTube or else something.
Very good. That is the energy level. You won't be able to sit at one place. That will be the toughest thing. Which is going to happen once you return back to the school, that you won't be able to sit in a class for 45 minutes. That will be you won't be able to concentrate for that particular 45 minutes in the class. Yes. Okay. Sharvi, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, beta. Please tell.
Miss, during the lockdown, my weight suddenly increases because seeing the mobile.
Because seeing the mobile, sitting at one place, no physical activity, weight gain is there, and you know weight gain is not a good thing. Gaining weight is not a good thing. Fine. It is, if you start gaining weight at this age, then it is going to affect it at very drastic. Means it is going to definitely have some bad effect on your body development. Yes, Arushi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, miss, there is no change in me, but miss, frequently I want my mobile phone.
You can't live without the phone. Okay, you want the mobile.
Yes, 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes like that.
Everybody, now every 10, 20 minutes you want to see. Okay, what is there in the mobile? Is there any message or not? Is there? Rajvansh is saying no, miss. Rajvansh, no addiction to you? Then why have you raised your hand then? I had asked a question to those students, those who are addicted. They are telling. You're not addicted? Yes, Arsh, finally. Say. Unmute yourself, Arsh.
Yes, miss. Miss, I have been playing mobile since last 2-3 years.
2-3 years?
Yes, miss. When I came in 6th also I was playing. And now from last...
please stop it. I hope Stephen is not attending the class, because if he hears that, immediately he will say me that you were telling Arsh, and he's playing from last 3 years. Okay.
So ma'am, from last 15 days, I have stopped. And what mother has said that we are playing now very much. And now leave it because it will be harmful now. And
definitely, beta, it is affecting your thinking ability. Okay, I am not saying that don't play. I also agree, play for half an hour, watch good things on YouTube, it's fine. But continually for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, when the students are spending their time on mobile, after this pandemic condition, the situation will become very worse. It will be very worse for us to control you people once you come back to the school. First of all, concentration level will be 0. Can you say your concentration level is exactly the same, the level which it was earlier? No. Okay, I am talking about in general, the concentration level has decreased a lot. Fine. And then next of all, what is happening? The way of responding to the things, that also has changed. The way you were responding to the things, that has also changed a lot. The way you were interacting, don't you feel now you people have become very much irritated with small things? Also you get irritated if somebody says something. This is the effect of this technology, and this technology has conquered the adolescent group. Okay, this technology has totally conquered the adolescent group. And so my advice to you is, somebody's mic is on. My advice to you people is that if you're playing game, play it for half an hour, but after that be involved in your physical activities. If there is nobody is asking you to do household work, no, you can write something. If you are try to improve your handwriting, try to improve your drawing skill. If not, if you are good in drawing, draw something, help in that. Means do something creative instead of wasting your time on the mobiles. Is that clear to you? Then yes, Saksham, what happened? I think you are very naughty. I can come out with this. Everybody is saying yes, miss. Everybody is saying yes, miss. Okay, Kaustubh, do you want to say something else? No. Yes, Anubhav, please unmute yourself. Yes, beta. What do you want to share?
During lockdown is permanent.
What? Specs. See, another side effect. Because of this mobile, permanent eyesight problem. Okay, you cannot concentrate. Eyesight problem is there. Fine. Mute yourself, beta. Yes, Rajkumar, please unmute yourself, beta. Yeah.
Yes, Miss. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Miss, whenever we try to study, we can't concentrate in studies, and then again we go to play.
Again you want to play because that concentration level has totally gone. Okay, totally gone. Okay? Yes, that is one side effect which is there.
Yes.
Yes. Then Piyush, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Miss, that year in lockdowns, I have started playing games many times. But miss, they have said that no work. But I played tournament with my squads and I got 20,000 rupees.
Physical game, no? I said physical game is.
No,
I was talking
not
about
physical.
mobile.
Android. Yes, miss. 20,000 I got. Miss esports. Miss, I played from Miss Game.tv. Miss, I played.
Actually, don't advertise your channel over here. Okay, if it is, well, how many hours over playing? How many hours?
Miss, I play 2 hours from 3 to 5. 3 to 5 every day.
But is it correct? 3 to 5 hours on a mobile playing game?
Miss, it's not that only 3 to 5.
See, one thing you yourself said you yourself has said I got 20,000 rupees. Now yes, that 20,000 rupees is acting like an addiction to you. That money is acting like an addiction to you. Now you want to play games because you earned money from it. Isn't it? Once at the next time, if you don't earn that money, your mental level will be the same.
Miss, this time only second place we have come, then I was feeling
now you struggle for the getting first position. Now yes, you want the first position. Suppose if you don't get that first position, will the way you are thinking right now will remain the same? You won't be affected by it.
Miss, I will affected.
Is that effect going to be in a positive way or in a negative way?
It's negative.
You yourself are giving answers to your addiction. Okay, you yourself are giving answer to your addiction. Though you got the money, but then too, I am not in favor of this. Okay, I am not in favor of this. You can play 1 hour, half an hour is more than enough, not more than that. It is going to
Miss, now I don't play any tournaments. I just for refreshing my mind only half an hour.
That is more than half an hour is more than enough for that. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Now again, so many hands are there. You want to say something? Yes, Ash, say what?
Miss, what means this whole thing is okay, but ma'am, now in games, money option is also coming. So many people are investing money on the games.
As well. One of your classmates, one of your friend also said the same thing, no? Because he earned the money. See, people are, that is all a kind of, trap of the people to trap the upcoming generation. It is a
no, ma'am. People are giving money.
Giving money to play.
Yes.
I don't know. I have no idea about it. I have no idea. I have no idea.
And ma'am, like I have left Free Fire now, means playing from last 15 days. So what happens? I am whenever I sit, no, I want to play it. I cannot
resist. You can't resist yourself. That,
yes.
But you have to control.
But I
yourself.
control.
But you have to control. Yes, Anand, please unmute yourself better. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Miss, we are playing games, so we have to buy something like diamonds, so we can spend the money from bank also like that.
So is it a good thing?
No, Miss.
Not at all, no? So these things are, that only I was saying. Please put your hands down, all of you. That was the only thing which I was telling you, that be addicted to something. These nowadays, these are not the addiction. Now addictions have changed. In today's adolescent, the addiction is changed. Smoking, drinking, narcotics is no more the addiction. Now the addiction has switched over to what? It has switched over to the mobiles, to the gadgets. They are using, these are the new addictions that people are facing, especially the adolescents are facing in today's world. They cannot resist without the mobile, they cannot resist without the electronic gadgets. And if at all parents are not providing, they are showing their anger in various ways. Frustration, the level of frustration has increased. Okay, the level of frustration in the children has increased. It means drastically it has increased. Better, if you want a good future, it's a request to all those who are there and involved in playing, these are addicted to these things. Please, beta, this is the time, come out of it and get involved in physical games. Play lot and lot of physical activities. Do lot and lot physical. You cannot go out of your house because of the pandemic. I'm not saying so. Do not go. At home only. Do practice something. Develop new habits. Reading good articles. Improving your communication skill. Okay, improving your writing skill. How can I write in a better way? How can I represent my answers or my thing in a better way? Go and switch on these activities rather than wasting your times on this gadgets. Yes. Anyone else? Yes. Rudransh, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Miss, I want to ask that which hormone is responsible for the addiction?
Addiction, I said that it is not the hormone which is responsible. It is the cerebellum which gets under the control. Okay, cerebellum is there, and then there are various means. His body is adapted to it like that you cannot resist without that particular thing. Fine.
And Miss, I have one doubt of previous chapter, Miss. I can ask.
Wait. Yes, please. Certain things I want to say, and then you may ask. Few things I want to tell you. Like today, whatever we have done, only small topic is left out, that is stress management. We will be completing it the next week. Already I have uploaded few question and answers. Have you seen that in the PDF? Did you go through the PDF? Some few question and answers are uploaded. By today evening or tomorrow morning, you'll get all the answers of this particular chapter. All the answers of this chapter. So complete your work and be ready whenever the copies are asked for the submission. Again, I am reminding you, though you are writing all the answers of this particular chapter, but the preparation which you will do will be only of what? It will be only of the endocrine system. Is that clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Riddhi? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Please focus one time on Kuldeep. He's trying to show his drawing from that much.
Okay, sorry. Where is he? Sorry.
Miss, he wants to show something. Yes, miss.
Wait, let me keep it in a gallery with Kuldeep.
Yes, miss, here only.
Where is he? I'm not able to get him.
Miss, I think besides Rudransh and Saksham.
No, Saksham, Kansha is there, Abhinav is there. Kuldeep, where are you, please? Okay, yes, Kuldeep, yeah. Yes, seen. Beautiful it is. You have made it? Very good. So this is something creative which he has done. And everybody should do such kind of thing instead of wasting your time on mobile and internet. Okay, this is the creativity. These type of creative exercise also is going on. Good. Piyush, see the dumbbells. Remove the dumbbells now. Yes, Shaurya.
Oh my God.
Yes. Shaurya.
Miss, I have made one rover from the waste cardboard. Can I show? Miss, a model of a rover from a waste cardboard.
A robot model.
Miss, I can show.
Yeah, please do show. And now, as you know, we are left out with very small portion to be completed. Shaurya, your video is off. Please switch on your video.
Miss, my video is on.
Can anyone else see that Shaurya is? It is coming black. We are seeing a black.
Miss, now it is coming.
No, beta.
Miss, I am outside because of the network connection. That's why.
Maybe. You keep it ready next time, and in the class. No, it is not seen, and already the time is up. What I was telling you, next class I will be taking a revision test of first chapter. Means it's your responsibility. Read the chapter, prepare the questions. Okay, Shaurya, please mute yourself. Yes. Prepare the questions from that particular chapter, one word questions you prepare, and you can, if you have any doubt, you can ask to me in that particular, in the class. After finishing this chapter, means after finishing the portion which is left out, we will be starting with the revision of the first chapter. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? And especially the structure of xylem and phloem. Especially the structure of xylem and phloem. I'll not move on with the book as the way the chapters are there. I will first start with the structure of xylem and phloem. Is that clear to you? Yes. So this was all. Those who have doubt, they can clarify their doubts in the next class. Okay. So this was all for today's class, and please complete your bio work and submit your copies on time. Is that okay?